We're here on the 401 just outside of Brockville. There's a truck on fire. Yeah, coming up to it. Doesn't look too good for the poor guy. Looks like it's a garbage truck, so looks like he's out walking around, good to go. But wow, that's a heck of a fire that is. Looks like a tire fire. Wow. I had to put it down because the police were there. Anyways, yeah. So this is part of the things we have to deal with out here on the road. I bet you 10 to 1 that his bearing overheated, caught on fire, and with all the garbage and all that, it just made that very nasty. But I'll buy it. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. This is John. And catch you on the. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.